This is the exceptional Belize floor plan at Valencia Harbor in Fort Myers. This floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an office space, and a 2-car garage plus a golf cart garage. It's 2,719 square feet. Enjoy the tour. Hope you enjoyed your first-class tour of the Belize floor plan at Valencia Harbor in Fort Myers. Don't forget to check out the bonus golf cart garage, and if you have any questions about this model or others, give us a call.